Friday, May 18th, 2012, 8:26 a.m. We are witnessing an X-file here in our yard. We have what is a pile of bird feathers right here, followed by an enormous pathway of bird feathers that lead right to here. And then, if you come over here, there's even more feathers. It looked as though a bird had gotten mauled. However, there is no bird to be found. Just exceptional amount of feathers. So the X-file is, where did all these feathers come from? We have no real idea. And if you walk this way, you can see that these feathers are brown. It looks as though maybe the bird got toasted. Maybe by a UFO or an alien. Who knows? Stay tuned for more information on the bird mauling.